Over the weekend here, I had my second annual customer appreciation event, and boy, we had a good time. Awesome turnout. A lot of people showed up. Had about 50 cars in total. Unfortunately, with all the excitement, I wasn't able to get much for video or pictures, but I guess it is what it is. I had to reach out on my Facebook page and do a little crowdsourcing, ask if people had video clips or pictures. But yeah, we had a really good time, and really overwhelmed by all the support from everybody that came out. Thank you. It really means a lot to me. But anyways, here's the video I did get, and stick around for the end of the video if you're looking for a Riviera update. Just wanted to pause here a second and talk about the 71 Monty. I had swapped this car in 2019. This is the first time I'd seen it since I left the shop. When it was here, it was maroon and had been sanded on, in the beginning stages of body work. But things looking great. I'll throw a card up for it if you guys want to come back and watch that video. He's gonna.
Give her a start.
No, he asked me permission before he did this, but this is what a blower, 1500 horse alcohol blower car with paddles on does when you crack on the throttle for 2 seconds. Probably a half a second. There's dirt spread back about 100 feet there. Gotta love it. Well, it's following afternoon here. Everything's quiet. Must have had a pretty good time here last night. A few stragglers left over. But I gotta say, it's pretty awesome that it can have a couple hundred people here. And there's not one piece of trash, not one beer can laying around. And believe me, much was drank. Yeah, that's freaking awesome. Well, Friday night, before the big show here, had my buddy Ryan, aka Shmee, the Violent Shmee Detailing. He came over and buffed and polished on this car, and quite honestly, I'd pretty much dismissed this paint job as being garbage, but wow. Seeing it in a whole new light. Not bad. The old girl shines up good. Polished up them wheels. How about that? Somebody forgot to get all the dirt off the bumper. Somebody being me. Yeah, I freaking love it. And I know the sunlight kind of sucks right now, but this was very well received. I dropped the engine cover and the intake duct off. My friend Joe, Pine Valley Auto. I had the mud work done, and there's really hardly any in it, just pretty much over the welds. Very little bit. Had the mud work done. I shot it with filler primer and wet sanded at 400. And I'm really not a fan of doing body work. And he shot another. He reprimed it, refiller primed it, and blocked it again. And he got all these lines here. I had a little wiggle in these lines, but he got them frickin' straight. Gave me a couple tips with that. But yeah, awesome job frickin' painting on that. Towards the end of the year here, you'll see some, I'll share the content. He's got pretty high accolades in the automotive community. The guy does great work. And he didn't have time to do this for me, but he made time for me. And man, beyond pleased with the outcome. huge thanks to all the customers that came out, past, present, and future. And people just came out to see what was going on. And big thanks to the members of the Motorhead Mafia Car Club that came out and showed their support. Thank you guys very much. And Steve Canoop with the old Swamp Rat, come out and make some noise. I'm going to leave her here, and thanks for watching, everybody.